you meet me by the beach. Tell it, baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Ethnicity, she blowing me crazy, it's no 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Well, I see you at the show tonight. Well, I see you at the... Okay, so my sink, it is too small. So once the dishes are piling up, it just looks like it's a lot. But I might find it's 4 plates and 2 cups or 4 cups in here. So, and then we have this mini cooker and my dirty pan and pots. So, yeah, let's see how long I will do this because I hate doing dishes and I don't have a dishwasher. Help! 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Tell it, maybe later you can show me things. Okay, so yesterday when I went to my internship place, the kids gave us this. Kids are so cute. Kids are so cute. So anyway, I am done with the dishes and now I just want to clean the microwave and this kitchen counter, and then I move on to the next place. I used to put candy here, but I don't have candy, so maybe I will just... Oh, I have candy. Yes. I have this from the kids. So the other main disadvantage, like the main disadvantage of my kitchen is like it is so tiny. I don't even have where to put my dishes, so they're just there until I buy a dish rack, which I don't know. I don't know when I will buy the dish rack because when I'm not here, I'm with my boyfriend, and right now that he lives in Spain, if I don't have anything, because this is my last year of school and I only have like a few classes and then I have to write my thesis. Yeah, so I don't have, like, why should I be in Lithuania when I can be in Spain, which is warm and it's nice. Like, I truly recommend you to go to Spain. I truly recommend, like, I will show you everything you should do in Spain. If I don't do it in a video, I'll do it in a blog post, but 10 over 10 would recommend Spain. You know what it is whenever I visit Ethnicity, she blowing me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? This is my kitchen after cleaning. Yes, always when you wash dishes, there's always going to be more dishes that were hiding somewhere. I'm gonna take care of that later. So this is it. The counters have been cleaned and we have my microwave there with those candies, and then yeah, so that is done. We're gonna move on to the next part. So the next agenda on the list, I think I'm going to clear out all the clothes in on the couch and then move it to the bedroom, because the bedroom is the last thing that I'm going to take care of. And yeah, so just watch me clean this apartment of mine. And if you have not been inspired to clean your place, this is the inspiration. This is the inspiration you need. Anyway, yeah, I'm just going to watch the YouTube video or like listen to it, whatever they're saying, and feel inspired. I've been enjoying watching YouTube videos nowadays, if I'm not watching TikTok, just to improve my concentration, my attention span, because it can be harmful if you're only watching TikTok videos and you're being overstimulated. It's just good to focus on one place on one video. So I've been watching more YouTube videos just to increase that, because we have now been conditioned to watch videos on a 2 times speed. Like, I am guilty of that. Like, every time I am watching a TikTok video, trust me, 2 times. Like, please tell me what you're telling me and move on. But I've decided to watch YouTube videos because I'm trying to not lose my attention span. Anyway, so here we go.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the phone, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed phones on the team. Remember when you left me in between? That was 2017. All good.
Laundry, and these clothes have been here for 1 week. That is so bad.
Around, find one to see my type. Now my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Yellow red credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women they come they go. Saturday through Sunday.
I think I'm going to check if these clothes are dry. I love the DJI Osmo. Like, I love. Look how it's just tracking my movements anytime I go somewhere, which is good. I definitely recommend you to get this camera. Muy bueno. I'll be back. Come with me. Come. Are you here? Okay. Just going to put this away. Now. Are you still with me? Oh, my favorite bag. This happened. So I have to fix this because I love this bag. This is my everyday school bag. I was gifted by my dad because he is an ophthalmologist. But I like that it has an African print on it because I'm proud to be African. Anyway, let's go back.
Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I'm busy. In the city, she blowing me kisses.
I did my nails during the slump, so I just did gel polish. I am not liking the nails, so I'm going to redo the nails again before my trip. So today is, I have to fit in everything has to go today. Everything has to be done today. Everything. If I was running a doctor's appointment, it is today, not tomorrow. Today. You know what? Today is a good day because my vacuum cleaner stopped working like a month ago. Is it a month ago? We're in November. it stopped working in ending of September, and today luckily it works. So I'm gonna do some vacuuming, and then I'm done with this part of the room, and then we deal with that corner. So yeah, watch me vacuum the place and just enjoy.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more.
Wow, it stopped working again. Okay, so since it stopped working, I'm just going to use a broom for the rest of the place, and also charge my camera because it is dying. So yeah, see you in the next episode. Not in the next episode, but in the next activity to do. So yeah, but so far so good. Wait, let's see. Okay, so far so good. I am done with the couch. Wait, let's stop this tracker. Okay, so as you can see, I am done with the couch. The coffee table looks nice. The carpet is vacuumed, thank God, because that is usually hectic. But I'm gonna sweep like the rest of the floor. Right. Yep. Okay. So far, that is how the is looking. My iPad and my phone and the extension is on the couch, but that's not a problem. How do I do this? So you see those parts, I'm going to have to use a broom because the vacuum couldn't get to that, so I'm gonna use a broom. And right, where's the okay, so I'm gonna use a broom, charge this camera, and then get back to this. Okay, so see you. So while the camera was charging, I did sweep the floor, and what else did I do? I just put things away. Also, I was just scrolling through social media and whatnot. What did I also do? Yes, I cleaned my entryway, put the shoes away, swept, and all the good stuff. So now we are going to the bathroom. Love-hate relationship. But before that, I think I'm just gonna remove the sweater because we're going to get down and dirty. Alright, since I have cleaned this, I think I'm just gonna put this away. I love the actor. Okay, so we're going to the bathroom, but look at this. Body is teal. Wait, active tracker, killing the vibe. So got this bodysuit. Look at the sun popping. I tell you, today's a good day. Today is a good day. Anyway, let's go into my bathroom. And like I've said, do not judge me. I'm here being vulnerable to you. So we're going to the bathroom. The bathroom. I'm just trying to get as much light as possible. Okay, so I'm going also to use this. Wait, I have something else. My chopping board got lost in there, so that is crazy. That is so crazy. So you're going to my bathroom. I don't know how you can hear me because the ventilator is great. We are in the bathroom. Let me show you the state of this bathroom. It is crazy. I have not cleaned this bathroom in a week, which is crazy, but let's see. So this is my bathroom. I don't have so much storage, so I just put my skincare there, and then jump scare. Like, the sink is a jump scare. Why? And my skincare, definitely. Wait, this is the sink. I hope you can see all the toothpaste stains. That is bad. So wait, how do I do this? So what did I say? I will do my skincare. I love Korean skincare so much, even though my skin is not caring. But anyway, let's see if I can hear this.